It's channel of ceiling fans. Somebody copyrighted me, but I'm not gonna be talking about that for the start of this video. We are right now here with this. I got a canopy, little ball mounted, wires. It's four. I thought it had been three. A black, a blue, the ground, and the white. Okay. Hold on, let me move this tray. Hey, damn, help me now. No, man, no, man. I got it. Hampton Bay LandMark. Yeah, we took off the blades. The pull chain is on some kind of string thread. Okay, they remove it because the pull chain is hard. You cannot pull it. It's like broken off, but you could still be able to pull the inside with the wires. Okay, somebody break that pull chain. Yeah, hold on. Hey, he's on show it to me, so you should be glad. Gonna take it and put it in this corner here. So technically, yes, I have space for it, but I will be giving it to a person, so I will not have it for long. Probably a month. I will probably keep it, or will probably give it to somebody. I'll do a next video on this, but right now we're gonna look for the blades. On. It's a Hampton big return. Okay, high, low, medium, off. Okay, we're gonna start it off with high. It's a very silent fan. Feel the breeze. Let me get a newspaper to test the wind. This is high, 52 inch. Medium. Very silent. Low. Let's just go around the fan. Like I said, I have one of this in my upstairs in my house, but the pull chain break. I'm gonna try to use it with one of these. I just fix the pull chain. We paint over the place and stuff. Oh, and those are not the Hampton Bay. They took it off and ease it off back to high. Let's put it on with the legs. The glare is not that bad. Let's knock it off. Okay. You're going to be seeing the spin down. Okay. So let me give you the good side of the fan. It is very very silent, blows good breeze. Yeah, this fan is pretty great. It's not that bad. The pull chain breaks easily, that's the downside. It's a little too short, but that's why you have to replace it with an unknown CA fan. I'm going to be getting a Hunter and unknown CA fan anytime soon. That's a clear one, and that one I'll do one next video today, but for now I'm going to play basketball. So see you.